Codwell balance chains. We recommend using a heat gun. So we'll remove our sash. Like so. We're also going to relieve tension on the balance by releasing the brake. Like so. We'll have to remove our balance cover, which is basically just hook in behind with your fingernail. Slides right out. We'll set that out of our way. You will need a drill or a Phillips screwdriver. So we're going to come in, remove these two screws. Alright. Get that out of the way. We'll take your heat gun, turn it on low heat. Alright, we're going to slide our balance down out of the way. We're going to heat in this area here where the notch out is. We're going to run low heat, medium. We're just going to heat the vinyl till it's pliable. We're not trying to cook it or overdo it. We're just slowly going to heat. Constantly moving to where we're not burning the frame. Once you get to your temp, your vinyl will be pliable enough to relax. To where you can remove your old balance. To reinstall the new, it's the same process. Get that out enough to where your new one should slide right back in. What we'll do is slide that down. Since our vinyl is kind of memory vinyl, we'll just slowly heat it back up, let it relax. You'll slowly see it start to retake its shape. Remember not to overheat your vinyl. Overheating will cause warpage. And your vinyl is laid back down. Let it rest and cool before bringing your balance back up, because it can cause warpage. Let it rest, cool, get to where it's back stiff. Once it's stiff, your balance will come back up. You'll reinstall into your holes, reinstall your balance cover, reinstall your sash. The holes, line those back up. I'm going to do this very gentle. Reinstallation of the balance cover. You'll have your hook and your S. Your S will slide in behind, like so. Come around. It locks into place. Slides up. And reinstallment of the sash.